In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed an Instagram feed on your Brizy Builder webpage. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon Instagram Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com and purchase Instagram Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Instagram Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now, on your WordPress dashboard, on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click Add New Plugin. Next, at the top, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for Instagram Feed Pro, like this, and click Install Now. And once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, our Instagram Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. But before we can create our first Instagram feed, we'll first have to activate the license key. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Instagram Feed. Hover over it and click on Settings. Over here beside License Key, you can paste the license key from your Smashballoon account, and then click Activate. And now you can see that our license key has been activated, and we can now begin creating our Instagram feed. On the left-hand side, under Instagram Feed, click on All Feeds. Next, at the top, click Add New, and for the first step of creating our Instagram feed, we'll have to select the feed type. With Instagram Feed Pro, you have 3 different feed types you can choose from. You can create a feed of posts from your user timeline, a feed of posts from any public hashtag, or even a feed of posts that you were tagged in. For this video, let's continue with the user timeline option. That's already selected for us, so we can click Next. Then, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click Add Source. On this page, you can select the option that best suits your Instagram account, whether it's a basic or business account. For example, our account is a business account, so I'm going to select Business, and here it's asking us if we've connected Smashballoon with our Facebook account before. I'm going to click on No, then I can click on Connect with Facebook. This will take you into Facebook, and if you're already logged in, you can click on Edit Access, and here you should see all the businesses, Facebook pages, and Instagram accounts connected to your Facebook account. Find the one you want to display inside your Instagram feed, and make sure it's toggled on the right-hand side. And you can do the same thing everywhere that account is listed on this page. Once that's all toggled on, we can exit it and click Continue. You'll then get the security prompt here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. Click Yes, it's my domain, and back inside the plugin, you should see all the Instagram accounts you've connected with Smashballoon. Find the one you want to display inside your feed, select it, and click Add. You'll now see that added as a source, so we can select it, then click Next. And on this step, you can select a theme for the design of your Instagram feed. We have options like the default, modern, social wall, outline, and overlap. Each one offers a unique design to help your Instagram feed stand out on your site. For this example, let's continue with the modern one, and once selected, you can click Next. And for the final step of creating our Instagram feed, we'll have to select a template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, simple grid XL, and more. For this video, let's continue with the default one, and that's already selected for us, so we can click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our brand new Instagram feed inside the plugin. It's displaying the latest post from the account we connected as a source, which is Green Grove Eatery. Each post features the author name, when that post was published, the caption, and the number of likes and comments underneath. Our feed is now ready to be embedded inside our Brizy webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Inside this menu, you can find all the different layout options we have with Instagram Feed Pro. Currently, we have the grid layout selected, which displays your Instagram posts in rows and columns. Next, we have the carousel layout. This one displays your Instagram posts in a swipeable slider like this. Third is the masonry layout, which displays your Instagram posts in rows and columns, but with the posts in their original sizes, as you can see here. Last but not least, we have the highlight layout. This one highlights specific posts inside your feed in a larger size, allowing you to emphasize posts you want your audience to focus on. For this video, let's continue with the grid layout, and if you scroll down, you can choose the number of posts you want to display inside your feed initially, on desktop and mobile. Currently, you can see that we have 8 posts inside our feed, but if you want to modify that, just enter the number of posts you want to display. For example, let's go with 6. And straight away, you can now see that we're displaying 6 posts instead of 8. I'm pretty happy with that. And next, you can also customize how many columns you want inside your feed, on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Currently, we have 4 columns. Once again, to modify it, just open it up and select the number of columns you want to display. Let's go with 3 to give it a natural Instagram feel. And there we go, we now have 3 columns inside our feed, with a total of 6 posts. And once you're happy with the layout of your feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the color palette of your Instagram feed, go into the Customize tab and click on Color Scheme. At the top, you can see that we currently have it set to inherit from theme, which means that Instagram Feed Pro will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Alternatively, you can go with a light theme, dark theme, or even a custom theme that allows you to select the exact colors you want for your feed, like this. And once you found a color scheme you're happy with, click Save on the top right corner. And if you're looking for controls to moderate the content inside your Instagram feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Next, if you go into Moderate your feed, and if we enable it, you can choose the exact posts you want to display inside your feed inside this menu. To do this, we have 2 options, with the Allow list and the Block list. With the Allow list, all your posts will be hidden by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to display like this. Alternatively, you can go with the Block list, and this one will display all your posts by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to hide. And if you want to hide posts manually, you can also enter their post IDs down below over here. And if you've made any changes, click Save on the top right corner. But for now, I'm going to disable this, and if I go back, you'll find additional filtering options here. At the top, you can add words or hashtags as filters, so that your Instagram feed only displays or hides posts containing those words or hashtags. And if I scroll down further, you can also filter posts based on their post type, whether you want to display photos, feed videos, or reels. For example, let's say we only want to display reels. We can deselect photos and feed videos. And instantly, our Instagram feed will adjust to only display Instagram reels. I'm going to reset that. And as you saw from this demonstration, these filtering and moderation options give you complete control over the content inside your Instagram feed. And if you've made any changes, click Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your Instagram feed, let me quickly show you how we can embed it inside Brizy. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, and click Add. And here we are on our WordPress web page, and this is a page that I've already created with Brizy. So we can click on Edit with Brizy, and here we are now inside our Brizy Builder web page, and if I scroll down, we can add our Instagram feed over here. To do that, on the left-hand side, click on the plus icon, and we can look for the shortcode element. Type in shortcode, and the one we're looking for is this one here. Click and drag it, and drop it anywhere on your page. For us, it's over here. Next, if we open it up, we can paste the shortcode that we copied earlier like this. And now you'll already see a quick preview of your Instagram feed over here. Click on Update, and let's check out what it looks like on the live website. Here we are now on our Brizy Builder webpage, and if I scroll down, we have our brand new Instagram feed that we just created. It's displaying the latest Instagram post from the account we connected, which is Green Grove Eatery, and the feed is exactly how we customized inside the plugin as well, with the grid layout, with 3 columns and 6 posts altogether. Inside each post, you can see the content, the account name, when that post was published, a preview of the caption at the bottom, the number of likes, and the number of followers as well. And if a site visitor clicks on the post, they can view that post inside this lightbox view just like this. And if it's an Instagram reel, that reel will automatically start playing inside this window. At the top of the feed, inside the header, we have the profile picture, account name, number of posts, number of followers, and the account bio as well. If I scroll down to the bottom of the feed, we also have a load more and follow on Instagram button. If I click on load more, it will load additional posts inside our feed on our Brizy webpage, allowing site visitors to consume more of your Instagram posts without leaving your site. And if we click on follow on Instagram, that will take your site visitor directly to your Instagram profile, making it really convenient for your site visitors to follow you on Instagram directly through your WordPress website. And that's how we can create, customize, and embed an Instagram feed on your Brizy webpage. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.